The creaminess of the taro soup combined with the succulent scallop and the umami from the roasted seaweed is gonna make this soup to die for. This recipe will have you impress the big crowd. Let's begin.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Firstly, peel the taro, purple sweet potato and cut into cubes. To add extra seafood flavor to the soup, I will use the shells of the prawn, fry over high heat with 3 tablespoons of oil for about 3 minutes until crispy and then remove. Keep the oil to pan-sear the scallop later. Put the prawn shell back into the pot with 1.5 liters of water and bring to a boil for about 20 minutes. Then remove and discard the shells. Add the taro and sweet potato cubes and cook for about 15 minutes until soft. Then use a hand blender to puree. Season with a little bit of stock powder and curry powder to bring out the smell. Next, pat the scallop dry with some paper towel. Season both sides with a pinch of stock powder and curry powder. Use the oil that we saved earlier from frying the prawn shells. Pan-sear the scallops for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, depending on the thickness, to the doneness of medium well. Now ladle the soup into the bowl, place the pan-seared scallop on top and sprinkle with some seaweed crumbles. This amazing appetizing soup will be a perfect start to a cozy party. I'm sure the crowd will be so pleased. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. I will see you then in the next video. Bye bye!